Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. Let's look at how November 2020 will be for Libra or Tula Rashi natives. Firstly, the planetary positions. They are Sun and retrograde Mercury are in the first, Ketu in the second, Guru or Jupiter in the third, Shani or Saturn in the fourth, retrograde Mars in the sixth, Rahu in the eighth, and finally your Rashi Lord in the 12th house. So overall, if I have to talk about positive planets, you have Mars and Venus, and rest of the planets are in challenging or unfavorable positions, as we call them. Yes, though you may find that a lot of these planets are unfavorable, your Rashi Lord and your second Lord are in good position, so they are going to help you in good recovery. The second half of the month will be much better than the first half. There could be some sudden changes which could happen at your work front. You need to be very careful while driving. A sudden change in your responsibility or in your job front also is indicated. Health may be slightly affected. Watch your words and also the company you keep. Okay, overall if I have to say, it's going to be an average to above average month. Coming to the health parameters, there could be eye troubles, there could be diseases which could be caused due to excess heat. Some skin rashes or itches are seen. There could be affliction to the face area. If you are suffering from any chronic issues, take extra care because that may aggravate. People who are having heart issues also need to be extra careful. Okay, don't worry much about it because Mars will help you to come out of this situation quickly. Coming to career or business, for working people, the courage definitely is going to be high. Focus and patience are the key things that are required to pass through this month. Support from your superiors may be less. You need to take a lot of care and you need to pay a lot of attention to all the details when a job is assigned to you. Else you may have to suffer some humiliation. The second half of the month, however, may be much better than the first half. So if you are participating in any competitive matters, success is indicated. Now coming to businessmen, they should be very careful and ensure that they don't take any sudden decisions. Before taking any decision, have that clear thought process going in, do the due diligence, and only then consider an option. Okay, sudden changes in business could be experienced. That is because of the movement of Jupiter. Your speech could land you in trouble, so pay attention. If you have any new plans, you can either consider them in the second half or wait for a much better time. Patience and step-by-step approach are the key which are very essential for you to pass through this month. You can also expect some success in competing with somebody, or if you are participating in any tender bids or things like that, you may win. Coming to students, their focus may be slightly disturbed. You need to work more harder this month to get back that focus and also win in competitions. Coming to wealth or gains, unplanned expenditure is indicated. Plan well before you spend. There could be some spending on some family function. A sudden loss in business could be experienced by some. Speculation and gambling, if you want to do with extra care, otherwise you may end up on the losing side. Second half of the month will definitely be slightly better than the first half for gain. For some, who have been having issues with inheritance related discussions, could be cases or whatever, there is a possibility that those things may come your way. So overall, if I have to talk, average gains are indicated. Coming to the family front, elders' health may suddenly get affected and may need your attention. If elders have any chronic issues, pay extra attention so that because they may aggravate now. Spouse's health also may vary, so take care. There could be a difference of opinion with your spouse, so you need to manage that. Some angry moments are also indicated. Children may feel a little low on their confidence and energy. Cheer them up and try to make them happy. You may participate in some of the family functions. Keep your thoughts under check. They tend to get vague sometimes, and that could spoil the family atmosphere. Patience and a calm mind will certainly help. There are certain remedies which you can follow and make the best out of this month. Ardhashtama Shani, or Saturn is in the 4th, so please continue to recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day. Recite or listen to Sri Suktam every day. This will bring in lot of prosperity and also peace of mind. Visit Hanuman's temple every Saturday and seek blessings. Pay respects to your gurus and elders and honor them from time to time. If you want to donate certain things, you can donate horse gram, radish, red clothes, black pepper on a Saturday. So do these remedies and have a better month. I wish you all the best. Namaskar.